We will learn how to hold the flute and play the first 3 notes. Let's go. Now we're going to go over how we hold our flute and how we play the first 3 notes on the flute. So one of the most important things with the flute is that we are sitting up straight with good posture. So shoulders back, feet flat, and at the edge of your seat. If your back is leaned against the seat, that's no good. You want to be sitting up straight, shoulders back, feet flat, legs not crossed. So when we are holding the flute, we are going to put our left hand out. The way that you can tell the difference from your left and your right hand is if your left hand makes an L. So with my left hand, I'm going to hold the flute just like this, and you want to make sure that the flute is on the right side of you. So I'm going to change the view so you could see a little bit of how the flute looks like. This is the view that you should see when you hold your flute. Your flute, the foot joint of the flute, which is the very bottom, should be facing the right side of your body. Remember, L is for left hand. So when you put your hand, you're going to put your left hand out as if you're saying, please can I have some? So I'm putting my left hand out like this, please can I have some, on the other side of the flute. With my right hand, it's gonna go over the bottom, almost like you're saying, that's enough, thank you. So right hand over like this. And then when I sit, you'll see exactly how my hands are placed. So when I place my hands on the flute, what I'm going to do is the same thing again. Left hand, please can I have some? Thank you, that's enough with my right hand. With my left hand, I'm going to press this thumb key in the back that looks like this. There's two. You want to put this key right here where your thumb is. And then you're going to try to place your first fingers over where your first 3 notes would be. That way it's easiest for you to learn how to play the notes. So for first finger, you skip a button. Second finger, skip a button. And third finger. And then for this bottom hand, you're going to make sure that you pick the 3 keys closest to the foot joint here. So 3 keys, 1, 2, 3. And notice when I say 1, I mean 1 is my pointer, 2 is my middle finger, and then 3 is my ring finger in my left hand. On this hand, it's the same thing. 1, pointer, 2, middle, and 3, ring. Then I'm going to place my pinky right on this spot right here on the foot joint. You can see right here. So when I am playing, no matter what note I'm playing, my hands are always nice and round. My chin is always up, and I'm sitting up straight. So the first note we are going to play is B. That's thumb, first finger, and then pinky. Notice my hands are nice and round. And even though I'm just pressing thumb and first finger, my hands are nice and round. My chin is up. I'm going to lick my lips. I'm going to say M, tight corners, downward smile. And then I'm going to say 2 as I blow out. Let's try B together. 1, 2, ready. If it sounds a little bit higher, that means you might be blowing too fast and too small of a hole. So let's try that again. Lick your lips, chin up. 1, 2, ready. Then I'm gonna move to A, which is just adding another button. So if you have thumb and 1 for B and pinky, all you're gonna do is add that second finger by skipping a button, and you're gonna do A. Let's try A together. A little bit slower air. 1, 2, ready. Same thing again. Breathe. Then I'm going to move to G, and all I'm going to do is add a button. So first finger, second, third, I have thumb and pinky. G is going to be even lower, so bigger hole and slower air. 1, 2, ready. Make sure to breathe one more time. Good. Okay, so we just went over B, A, and G. It's going to take a while to get a sound out. Be patient with the flute. Pick up the flute every single day and you will see how easy it becomes to play the flute and to get a beautiful sound. So we went over B, that's first finger, thumb, and pinky. A, 1 and 2, and thumb and pinky. And then you have G, 1, 2, 3 with thumb and pinky. So I'm going to show you right now Hot Cross Buns, which is a song that you could play with the first 3 notes. And I encourage you, once you get comfortable making a sound, try to figure out Hot Cross Buns on your own. Here's Hot Cross Buns. And that's Hot Cross Buns. So have fun with the flute, practice a little bit each day, and happy practicing.